Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this YouTube video, I will be guiding you on how to turn on dark mode in your TikTok. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video and start to explore the process. Here, what I want you to do is go and log into your TikTok account if you have not already and open your app. So once you're on your app, go to your profile, which is present on the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the three horizontal like icon present on the top right of your screen. You will be directed towards the settings and privacy page. Scroll down and then search for display, basically represented by half moon like icon. Here, tap on it, and there you will have an option called light and dark. Go for dark. And there you go. This is how you enable dark mode in your TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.